BJP, which is engaged in tax terrorism.
सीताराम केसरी जी के जमाने के 53 करोड़ का डिमांड कांग्रेस का 1993-94 का कांग्रेस को आया और टोटल पिछले इसी तरीके से उन लोगों ने 5 सालों का दिया है, 3 सालों का और वो बना रहे हैं। टोटल 1823 करोड़ की डिमांड कांग्रेस पार्टी से करी गई है। 1823 करोड़ का डिमांड इनकम टैक्स ने कांग्रेस पार्टी से किया।
The Income Tax Department has issued a notice of approximately rupees 1800 crore to the Congress Party for reassessment of income spanning from 2017 to 18 to 2020 to 21, which includes penalties and interest. This adds to the party's financial concerns ahead of the crucial 2024 Lok Sabha elections.
अगर ये इंस्टीट्यूशंस अपना काम करते, अगर सीबीआई अपना काम करती, ईडी अपना काम करती, तो ये नहीं होता। तो उनको ये भी सोचना चाहिए, ये जो सब कर रहे हैं, कि किसी ना किसी दिन बीजेपी की सरकार बदलेगी और फिर कार्रवाई होगी और ऐसी कार्रवाई होगी कि मैं गारंटी कर रहा हूं ये फिर से
The Delhi
नहीं
High
होगा।
Court declined the party's petition to challenge the reassessment proceedings, citing earlier decisions and evidence collected during raids on entities allegedly linked to the party. Previous reassessment proceedings for assessment years 2014 to 15 to 2016 to 17 were also rejected by the court based on substantial evidence of alleged tax evasion. The tax department highlights cash transactions involving Congress, which affects their eligibility for tax exemption as political parties. The Income Tax Department has retrieved rupees 135 crore from Congress Delhi bank accounts for tax arrears and interest related to the 2018-19 assessment year, as the party failed to meet exemption conditions. Additionally, during searches on entities tied to Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar and a Surat-based company, cash transactions involving Congress were discovered, cited as a violation affecting the party's eligibility for tax exemption as a political entity.
For assessment, every year you have to file a return.
Yes, sir, exactly.
No one is immune from it. Not any member of any party or the party itself.
D.K. Shivkumar, while addressing the media regarding the income tax notices served to Congress, emphasized the democratic framework and existing laws in the country. He accused the BJP government of directing officials to target the opposition, alleging that it stems from their fear of the Congress and the India alliance.
IT notice has been issued in Delhi about 1,800 crores. See, there is a democracy in this country. There is a law. This type of harassment, what the BJP government is directing the officials. See, sun will set and sun will rise. Nothing is permanent. But where can a political party, including the communists, why they are targeting the opposition? That means it shows that they are afraid of the Congress party. They are afraid of India alliance. And India alliance is going to defeat the NDA.